Grand Rising. Today I wanted to take a time out to let you guys listen to something that keeps me kind of focused on days when I need to get right in my mental. Listen to it.
Nature's intelligence functions with effortless ease, with carefree harmony and love. And when we harness the forces of harmony, joy, and love, we create success and good fortune with effortless ease. This is the principle of least action, of no resistance. When we learn this lesson from nature, we easily fulfill our desires. If you observe nature at work, you will see that least effort is expended. Grass doesn't try to grow, it just grows. Fish don't try to swim. Birds don't try to fly. Flowers don't try to bloom, and the earth doesn't try to spin. They all just fulfill their intrinsic nature without any effort. Least effort is expended when your actions are motivated by love, because nature is held together by the energy of love. When your actions are motivated by love, your energy multiplies and accumulates. And the surplus energy you gather and enjoy can be channeled to create anything you want, including unlimited wealth and abundance. To practice the law of least effort in your life, there are 3 principles to utilize every day. First, practice total and complete acceptance every day. Accept people, situations, circumstances, and events as they occur, not as you wish them to be. Know that this moment is as it should be, because the whole universe is as it should be. Don't struggle against the entire universe by struggling against this moment. Second, take responsibility for your situation and for all those events you see as problems by not blaming anyone or anything for your situation, and that includes yourself. Know that every problem is an opportunity and a teacher in disguise. Finally, practice defenselessness, relinquishing the need to defend your point of view. Remain open to all points of view and don't be rigidly attached to any one of them. This will free you to access the infinite intelligence and the wisdom of the entire universe. Your innermost intelligence is the ultimate and supreme being, because it mirrors the wisdom of the universe.
that's a good way to start off your morning. Having mental peace, getting your mind right. Have a great day.